It's a Miniflame V16 from Sunwind. I will put this in my RV. It has an oxygen sensor, so it's safe to sleep, even though it doesn't say that in the manual, but it is. So this is an unboxing of this gas heater black V16. It's portable and you can have it on your wall, which you prefer. You can see it's power 630 till 1550 watt, dimension 30 width and 15 deep and 40 height, with ignition fuse and CO2 protection, radiant, piezo ignition, gas regulator set comes in addition. So I have a Traumatic here, but I want to have two separate systems. If something fails, let's open it now, because this is an unboxing. It's Sunwind that I bought it off. I'm going to go to the mechanic tomorrow and he will install this. So I want to check everything, that it's here, everything. I want the mount on the wall, that it should be in here. If it's not, I have to do something about that. Here it is. Here we have the Miniflame manual. This is what you should look for. The number, if you want to look it up on the internet. So the good thing with this one is that if you get too little oxygen in here, this one will turn off. That's the good thing. Yeah, that looks nice. So, well, let's look at this one. Sunwind. Looks good like that. It's good quality. And it has its feet. And here you can see this is good, looking good. And here you have that one. Like that. Well, I think I'm satisfied. So it should only be used with gas and 30 millibar. It says it's supposed to be at least 28 cubic meter, and the minimum ventilation opening to the room must be 35 cubic centimeters. I don't have that here. No one of those. But in instructions on the internet you can see that you can use it in a van and caravan and so on. So I don't like that. That's not good. Let's go on. You shouldn't use it where people are sleeping. And it says that if you're going to have it on a wall, you should buy the wall thingy, and that's not in this. I really don't know how I should have it, but this is just an unboxing, and for you have got explanation, but I'm living in an RV and I was told that it would be fine, and that it will automatically turn off if too little oxygen. The heater have a sensor that will turn off if the gas flame will turn off, and this one has a oxygen sensor, so it should turn off if it's too little oxygen in the room. So there we have it, but I will read more on internet. But this was just an unboxing, and it looks good, but if you want it on the wall, see to that you buy the thing, the back plate that should be here. It's easy to put on gas on this one. Yeah, and you want to see here. This is the only thing you use. So it's really easy. So they had the wall mount. This should be on the wall if you put it up on the wall, so it's safe. Let's unbox this one and see how that one looked. This one was 195 crowns and this was like 800 crowns. So you need this if you want it on the wall. So this is how it should look, like this. And I did ask him about that it said that it had to be like 28 square meters and so on, and he said that is not necessary. It is safe because it has this oxygen sensor. So I am doing this. So this is how it looks there and here. So let's see how it looks here. So if you see this from the side, you take this one with this out. Put it like this. Fits here like that. And these two screws here and here, if you put this on the wall, you can hang it here. Here, you hang it up like that on these screws like that. Easy peasy tape. So this is the front, and here I have the gas on the other side, so I want him to make a hole and everything is needed, and we will put this one on this wall here and put the gas heater like this. so it's going up here on the wall. That's my thought. I will listen to what he have to say about it. He's working with the RVs all the time, so I will listen. Let's see what he says. But this unboxing is done.